Speak English with Coffee.
Today, talking about yourself.
Hello and welcome back. I'm Mia and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Sam. It's so nice to see you again.
Today, we want to talk about you. We want to help you talk about yourself in English.
Here is a small thing. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," many people do not know what to say. It can feel a little hard.
That is so true. But it is not hard. You only need a few simple sentences about who you are.
Yes, your name, your home, your job, and one thing you love. That is enough.
Exactly. And we will learn the easy words to say them.
So today, you will learn 5 simple words and some easy sentences, and you do not need to do anything. You can just relax and listen with us.
And if you enjoy these easy chats, you can subscribe. It helps other learners find us too.
So let's begin. Mia, can you introduce yourself to me? Tell me about you.
Sure, I would love to. Well, my name is Mia. I am from a small town near the sea.
Oh, near the sea. Do you still live there?
No, I live in a city now, but I visit my town every summer. My family is still there.
What do you like to do when you visit?
I walk by the sea and I eat my mother's food. I love that place so much.
That is nice. Do you have a big family?
I have one sister and 2 brothers. We are a happy, noisy family. I miss them a lot.
And what do you do, Mia?
I am a teacher. I teach English, and I really love my job.
Why do you love teaching, Mia?
I love it because I meet people from many countries, and I see them get better every day.
That is great. You are a very kind teacher.
Thank you, Sam. But I will tell you one thing. When I meet new people, I feel nervous.
Nervous? What does nervous mean, Mia?
Nervous means you do not feel calm before something. So before I meet new people, I feel nervous, and I am very quiet.
Oh, I understand. A lot of people feel that way.
Yes, and when I was young, I was very shy. Shy means you are very quiet with new people, and you do not talk much.
Were you really shy? You talk so easily now.
I was very shy. At parties, I did not talk much. I sat in the corner, and I was very quiet.
So, what changed? How did you learn to talk to people?
Well, step by step, I tried more, and I found a hobby. A hobby is a thing you enjoy doing in your free time.
Oh, nice. What is your hobby, Mia?
My hobby is dancing. I go to a dance class every week, and at the class, I met many new people.
Sure, your hobby helped you a lot.
Yes, it helped me so much. At first, I was shy in the class too, but the people were kind and they smiled at me.
That is lovely. With kind people, it is easy to feel calm.
They really do help. After a few weeks, I was not shy anymore. Now I dance, I laugh, and I talk to everybody.
That is a lovely story, Mia. So you were shy, but you are not shy now.
Yes, exactly. I still feel a little nervous sometimes, but that is okay. Everybody feels that way.
So I think this is important. To introduce yourself, you do not need many words.
That is so true. You can say 3 simple things: your name, where you are from, and what you do.
Can you show me again? What can a person say?
Sure. A person can say, "Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Italy, and I'm a nurse." That is short, and it is enough.
Oh, I like that. It is easy, and it tells me 3 nice things about you.
And the words are always the same. You change only your name, your home, and your job.
Oh, that is easy. So a student can say, "Hi, I'm Ken. I'm from Japan, and I'm a student."
Yes, exactly. The same 3 things with a different name and a different job.
Now I understand. It is easy when only a few words change.
Yes. And you can add one more thing. You can say your hobby. In my free time, I like to cook.
That is lovely. Now I know you a little, and I want to talk more.
Exactly. You do not need to be perfect. A few simple sentences said with a smile are enough.
And if you forget a word, that is okay. You can speak slowly.
Yes, people are kind. They will wait for you, and they will help you.
And here's a nice idea. Before a big day, you can say your words at home first.
Oh, I do that too. I say my words in front of the mirror. Then I feel ready and calm.
Well, now it is my turn. Let me introduce myself to you, Mia, the same way you did.
Oh, yes, please. Tell me about yourself, Sam.
Okay. My name is Sam. I am from a big city. I work in an office, and I have a young son.
Oh, a son. How old is he?
He is 6 years old. He is funny, and he runs everywhere. He makes me laugh every day.
That is so sweet. Children make a house happy.
They do. I love him so much. He makes me very happy.
That is lovely. And what is your hobby, Sam?
My hobby is running. I run every weekend in the park. I am not very fast, but I love it.
That is great. Do you run alone or with friends?
I run with a small group. We meet on Saturday morning and we run together. Then we have breakfast.
Oh, that is lovely. So your hobby is also a way to see your friends.
Yes, exactly. Your dance class is the same. At a hobby, you meet kind people.
It really is the same. And these days, Sam, when you meet new people, how do you feel?
These days, I feel confident. Confident means you feel sure about yourself. So now when I meet new people, I feel calm and happy.
That is great. And how did you learn to feel confident?
I tried like you, and I learned one important thing. When you meet someone, be polite.
Polite. What does polite mean, Sam?
Polite means you use kind, nice words with people. So you say, "Hello, nice to meet you." You smile and you listen.
Oh, that is so true. A polite hello and a smile make people feel happy.
They do. And here is one more nice idea. After you introduce yourself, ask the other person too.
Oh, yes. What can you say?
You can say, "And what about you? Tell me about yourself." Then the other person shares too.
I love that. Two people, two introductions, and a new friend.
And it works everywhere, at work, at a party, or in an English class.
And what about online? Many people meet on a video call now.
Oh, yes. On a video call, it is the same. You say, "Hello, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you all."
That is true. A smile works on a screen, too. People can see that you are friendly.
And here is one more small tip. When you meet someone, listen to their name.
Oh, that is a good idea. Why is the name important?
Because people love to hear their name. You can say, "Nice to meet you, Anna." It is a kind, friendly thing to do.
I love that. A name and a smile make a person feel special.
And can you say what you like? Like your favorite food or music?
Oh, yes. You can say, I love pizza and I love old music. It is a fun way to share.
I agree. When you say what you like, people see that they like the same things. Then it is easy to talk.
So, Sam, what do you like? Tell me one thing.
I love old movies and I love music. On a rainy day, I watch an old movie at home.
Oh, that sounds lovely. See? Now I know you better, and we can talk about movies.
Exactly. A simple introduction can help you meet new people.
That is true. And remember, everybody feels a little nervous. Even confident people feel nervous sometimes.
That is a lovely thought, Mia. A friendly hello is a nice way to start.
Well, this was a lovely chat about you. Let's look again at the 5 words from today.
Good idea. They are all useful words for talking about yourself.
First, nervous. Nervous means you do not feel calm before something. I feel nervous before I meet new people.
Next, shy. Shy means you are very quiet with new people. Mia was shy when she was young.
Then, hobby. A hobby is a thing you enjoy in your free time. My hobby is dancing.
After that, confident. Confident means you feel sure about yourself. Now I feel confident when I meet people.
And last, polite. Polite means you use kind, nice words with people. A polite hello makes people happy.
5 good words, and they are all useful. You can use them today.
Now we have one small question. Can you introduce yourself in one sentence? Tell us your name and where you are from in the comments.
We read every single comment, and we would love to meet you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It was so nice to talk with you.
If you enjoy these easy chats, please subscribe. Then you can join us again next time.
Next time, we will learn the everyday phrases that people really use when they talk. They are simple and fun.
It will be a lovely chat. We really hope you can join us.
So take good care of yourself, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.